A very warm welcome to you guys. Thank you for watching this little video on the Zana Adventure 390 handlebar risers. These handlebar risers, as you can see, are much taller than regular ones. So these are a 50 mm vertical rise planted on the basic stem that comes from your standard handlebar as shown here. So these risers fit snugly in between these two clamps and give you a 50 mm vertical rise. Now, why a riser of this design? We could have gone for something that is just a vertical raise and a 1-point rise. We have come across people complaining about vibration when they have installed a single point riser at this point. So under this, if you give it a vertical rise, we feel that it could be due to the presence of one single bolt that allows for this unit to oscillate in this direction, giving you a decent amount of additional vibration. But in this design, as you see, these are the two bolts present, which in a way locks your handlebar in a much better grip. And since it's locked by two bolts, there is a very low chance of additional vibration on your handlebar. Now the Adventure 390 is generally a buzzy motorcycle. It does not vibrate like crazy, but there is an inherent buzz. But when you add onto these risers, there is no additional buzz. That's what we have experienced. What the feedback we have received from a lot of risers being used by our clients for the past 3 months now. And we are confident that this product is going to serve them well. Now, who uses the risers quite a lot? Somebody who is used to riding a lot while standing, predominantly off-road. Even if you're sitting on the motorcycle and using this Adventure 390 for touring, you will thank us for the additional comfort on your shoulders and wrist and elbows that these risers will give you. So all of you guys who love your Adventure 390 should go in for these 50 mm risers. Save yourself the trouble on your wrist, ankles and shoulders. Now the other main question that we came across from a lot of people is, do I need a cable change to extend the height by 50 mm? Yes, we always advise you to change the cable. So the clutch cable here has been changed and it comes as a standard part of the kit. We in fact give you 2 sets of cables. One you should change straight away, and the other is your backup cable, which you can keep in your seat under this as a spare in case you are stranded somewhere with a broken cable. Now also, to maintain your cable well, lubricate it, check it and replace it well in time. In future, if you need an additional cable from us, Zana will be happy to ship one to you anytime. Thank you for watching this little riser video from Zana.